things by myself, you know. Went through every number on my telephone. I thought that all I needed was someone to hold, but I was wrong. I never thought that maybe I needed a friend. You have always been there together till the end.
What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Wrap Sesh. This week we are showcasing a full body PPF wrap, aka fashion film clear bra from S-TEK Automotive.
Paint protection film.
Paint protection film, that's what PPF stands for. So this is not actually a vinyl vehicle wrap. It is a clear bra paint protection film that's extra fancy sauce.
Extra fancy, yeah.
So
for
fancy.
show.
I really love this film. It's from S-TEK Automotive. This is their really nice sample book. But this is the film that we worked with right here. You're probably not gonna see it in the camera right now.
It's just clear, yeah.
But it's called S-TEK Dino Prism, and it's this clear bra right here. And it basically is a clear gloss, but it has a shade shift metallic in it. So if you put this on a car, it's gonna have like a purple blue shade shift.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's an example they have in their book. If you look at this Tesla that they did the PPF on, it was actually a black paint. And it made the car look like this shade shift color.
So depending on the darkness of your paint is how it will look. Because we did a light gray car, and it looked a little different than that.
Oh yeah, our car definitely looked different from this because this is a black car.
So the darker your paint is, the more the flake actually stands out.
Right. So we wrapped a Model 3.
Yeah, same car as that.
We did a Tesla Model 3, so same type of car, but it had like a charcoal gloss metallic like gray paint job on it.
Yeah.
So we put a test sample on for the client so he could drive around with it for a few days, see if he liked the color, and it really just made it like this nice, like almost primer gray base with like blue and purple metallic sheen in it.
It looked, yeah, the blue and purple really stood out from certain angles.
So yeah, really impressive film that kind of transforms your paint job. Once again, this is a clear bra film, so it's gonna come with a 7-year warranty. It actually protects against things like rock chip, UV damage, other road wear and tear that you're gonna get. And it's usually a self-healing product as well. So out in the heat, if you get any scratches, you could scratch it with a wire brush and it'll self-level and heal itself. So
pretty cool stuff.
Clear Bra is a really fantastic film. It's about twice the cost to do a full vehicle wrap in PPF as opposed to vinyl.
But it's
you're
twice
gonna get
durable.
Twice the durability and twice the longevity out of it. So that's kind of the benefit to the PPF. So dive in, we hope you guys enjoy. thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our episode this week on the S-TEK Dino Prism full body Tesla Model 3 PPF job.
Whoa.
I know. I know. How did I get that in one go? We hope you guys enjoyed our episode. If you want to get your hands on this PPF film, their fashion clear bra, it's from STEKautomotive.com. You can hit them up. They only sell to shops, so you can't buy it as a consumer. If you guys want to get this on your vehicle, you can hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com.
Yeah, we'll put it on.
We'll do things and stuff.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys check out some of our past episodes on the S-TEK Fashion Film PPF series. We've got a lot of really cool episodes on our YouTube channel. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VinylVixenWraps and WrapSeshAZ. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh vibe. And we'll see you guys next week.
See ya.
Do it. That's not a Pikachu sound.
Pika!